Hey guys, it's DavidRGD making another cooking video for another school project. The last time I made and ate was garlic longanisa pasta. It was just meat. But today I'm going green by cooking my own chopsuey with my ingredients. 2 garlic cloves with 1 half white onions, both minced, 1 cup pork belly, sliced or chopped, 1 cup shrimps, 2 tablespoons cornstarch mixed with 1 glass of water, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 red bell pepper, sweet peas, 1 medium-sized carrot, mushrooms, 1 cup of cauliflower florets, 1 cup of broccoli florets, young corn cuts, and cabbage. Now here comes the instructions on how to cook chopsuey. First is to have the oil heated up before adding garlic and onions. I decided these two need to be cooked all together to save time if necessary. But anyway, let it cook until they became golden brown. After that, you put 1 cup of sliced pork bellies. Add flavor cubes like shrimp or pork if necessary. Once the pork became brown, add shrimps and let it brown as well. Next is that you need to remove the shrimps using the spoon and spatula and place them onto the bowl, since we need to deglaze the wok first. And after deglazing it with water or wine if you want, you add cornstarch mixture consisting of 2 tablespoons of cornstarch dissolved with cold water and stir until quickly thickened. Once the cornstarch became thickened enough for the pork to become more dense to stir, add oyster sauce and mix until evenly coated. Now it's time to add the vegetables, starting with carrots, sweet peas, young corn, 15 pieces in total because it was cut into thirds in a can, mushrooms, broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. Throughout that time, you can add more water for more sauce and to deglaze if you think this mixture is too thick. After stirring with the vegetables and all of the ingredients, we left it for left it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 or 3 minutes, turn on the heat and put it in a plate. And here it is, chopsuey! Ay, pagod na ako po pagkatapos maraming beses ako magsalita ng edit. Pero tapos na! So yeah, salamat sa panood ng lutong video na ito about chopsuey. So this is DavidRGD. Goodbye!